guys, Conway 336 CSX Mine here, and today I got from Target Gravedigger for Legend for today. I mean Jurassic Attack. I mean Dragon Mod. I made a Higher Execution. I made a Dragon, but I have regular ones. I mean that over Avenger style, but I have fewer Avengers. I mean the Stinger. I have a Blue Thunder. I have a Gravedigger base, but I mean a train one. So here's Gravedigger for Legend. So here's Gravedigger for Legend by Spin Master, and here's the figure. Just opening. Figure. Keep a Gravedigger for Legend here. So Gravedigger Legend is pretty awesome. Too bad I got retired. So this is a base from Mustang. It won the World Finals of 2013. What's a comparison between Spin Master and Hot Wheels? Well, basically for Hot Wheels Gravedigger Legend, it's most detailed and yellow rims and BKT tires. But Spin Master, we don't have yellow rims, and but still has BKT tires. Pretty awesome. Let's move Hot Wheels Gravedigger Legend out of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.